the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Brazil. This is Nissin Talharim Sabor Frango. Just means chicken flavor. Now you know, you just learned something. Frango or Frango. So, here's the noodle block. It kind of got bumped a little bit, but that's okay. Look at that. It's kind of thick. So you add all this in here, and you cook it for a whopping 3 minutes. I want to thank Kian for sending this. I really appreciate it. Appreciate. He was in Brazil on a wonderful vacation and decided to be kind and send me some noodles. That was really cool. Yeah, Brazilian noodles. I don't know what it is, but when I get stuff from Brazil or anywhere from South America, honestly, I'm like immediate like, ooh, because I don't get down there for one. That's a long ways for me. And two, they're fascinating. You know, it's like, what kind of flavors do they have? And apparently they have chicken, but they also have stuff like, I've seen a lot of cups that have things like bolognese and kind of like saucy sauces and stuff like that. So, but yeah, 300 mils of water, 3 minutes. I think this is going to be less soupy and more saucy with the sauce. Do you like the sauce? I hope you do. So what's going on? So our good friend Stumpy from North Little Rock, Arkansas, clued me in about this, what do you call it? Taste the biscuit? That ring a bell? Toasters and mousse? I think that's it. Taste the biscuit. Taste the goodness of the biscuit. It's something from a while back, and then it just made a resurgence in a terrifyingly big way. Maybe that's over right now for you folks, but yeah, it's pretty funny. It's pretty funny there. You gotta look it up. You know, you might laugh a little bit if you look up the taste the biscuit. Taste the biscuit. Taste the goodness of the biscuit. The honey sauce, but don't get it on my chicken wing. Yeah. Children are watching Saturday morning cartoons on a Wednesday. And yeah, it's so great. Nothing better than torturing my children with the cartoons of my yesteryears. And we have 10 second 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and beep beep beep. All right, so here's this, and now we're gonna add in the. It's so funny, all the terms for this. This is a sachet. A good friend of mine who's an author calls them sachets. It's a French word, dude. A sachet. And in India, because of Maggie, they're Maggie calls them a taste maker. It's the taste maker. Whereas Mentos are the fresh maker. Now you know. So here's our Brazilian chicken instant noodle. One thing you'll find over there too is, or down there where it depends on where you're at. It could be over, it could be under, down, up. But they'll have like chicken, and then they'll have galinha, which is like young hen, which it's been described to me as kind of like a little bit oilier What is up with this camera mount? It's getting bendy in its old age. I wish I could find the exact same one. I got a new one for doing the mukbang, but it's like way taller. This noodle reminds me of the Indomie special chicken, which is a variety I loved, and that used to be on the top 10 list, but it's like so scarce that, you know, that'd be on the top 10 again if I get a hold of it, I'm pretty sure. Look at that wide. Let's give it a try. Yeah, creamy, chickeny, saucy. You like the sauce? I like the sauce. So does my phone. You're probably wondering, who's messaging you, Ramen Raider, and why do they always do it? Well, I have friends from all over the world, and they have different time zones, and they do that. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. So for this one, I'm gonna put in some coriander. I need the kitchen snips, because I'm kind of trying to do the whole deal with the way it looks on the package, and it showed bits of coriander in there. So I'm going to use my kitchen snips. Is that the way you call them? Some things are called bowls, some things are called pinch bowls. That sounds horribly like something else. Like things you wouldn't want pinched. God, wouldn't that hurt? God. Pinch bowls. Hey, leave me alone. Don't pinch bowls. A little bit of coriander there. So it shows it in the picture, all snippied. I'm gonna throw it in. Taste the biscuit. Taste the goodness of the biscuit. My honey sauce. Taste the biscuit. Ow, 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 ow. I have a feeling that is going to be a thing that like slams through the internet again, and then people will just be like, "Oh God, make it stop." And I think there'll probably be reactions to it and all that stuff. People, I think a lot of the time, internet fads just have to do with, let's see how dramatic we can all get. Let's see how like crazy lit we can get on something that really isn't all that remarkable. But what I thought was funny was, remember Gangnam Style, which American press repeatedly referred to as Gangnam Style, even though everybody heard the song freaking like 20 million times and should have known that it was Gangnam Style. No. Gangnam Style, oh my. That's kind of how the news took it here. There's our chicken flavor. Now this is Brazilian. But this is chicken flavor. Well, Take the biscuit. Take the biscuit. Yeah. Alright. I don't know that I want to go much further than that. Maybe? Do I have any left? Right on top. Ooh, yeah. Now the tricky part. I like having stuff look kind of more uniform. Call me crazy, but I like things to look correctish. My lighting is making it hard for me to tell, but I think that'll work. It's morning time. It's morning. Here we go. Chicken. Well, thank you for enjoying this wonderful program with me this morning. The next one you're going to see is this pink rocket. Yeah, for the lovely girls, this is a South Korean variety for the U.S. market. It's a mac and cheese flavored combo of ramen and tteokbokki. It's good. I like tteokbokki and I like ramen, so that's what you're going to see tomorrow on another episode. Star-studded episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Tell your friends, like, subscribe, do all that crap, and join me, won't you?